लीक हो जाने के कारण सारे परिणाम रद्द किए जाते हैं।
ये कोरिया वाले हमेशा ही होते हैं।
Like proud to know that my fellow batchmates, fellow IT mates can do such a path. Amazing.
Seriously, it's a very good path, must map. IT के लाइफ की स्टूडेंट बता दी.
Okay, this was a very nice path, very well executed. The script was very nice, pretty original. And the issues were raised were quite contemporary. Okay. Although the issues have been raised on forums again and again, and probably I think most of us are aware of it. Yeah. But still, raising those issues in front of a big crowd actually means something. So this crowd actually added something. Otherwise, overall a nice pack. And should definitely win. Probably it will go into the history as one of the best packs. We would win this! Basically, it was a complete masala pack. It had a lot of comedy. Plus, it had some message as well. And both the things were combined together in a very nice way.
This wasn't a masala pack. This was a realistic pack.
Really short of words. Amazing pack. Best I've seen in 4 years. And music, broad, the lights, the execution, overall impact, everything wrong. Good work by Anshul Singhal, I should say.
What was the best part?
The overall impact, I think, was the best part. The way punches were coordinated.
You think there were
brilliant.
punches?
Yeah, there was a choreo punch which Anshul Singhal handled brilliantly. That's the best.
I wanted to see one good pack before I passed out and my wish has been granted. Thank you H4 and H9.
What was the best part?
Everything. Everything was awesome, especially the red light part. That scene was done very, very well.
And you think something would have been improved?
No, nothing. It was a very long pack and in spite of that I had no complaints.
What do you feel about the path?
It was good.
Excellent.
Very good.
Amazing.
Thanks H9, H1, H4, H11 for a very good pack.
Amazing pack, man.
God pack. Seriously.
आज तक का बेस्ट
आज तक क्या लगा? पूरा बेस्ट था यार, कुछ भी
बेस्ट पार्ट लगा कि दोनों साइड का लिया, टॉप को भी देखा, स्टूडेंट का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू लिया और मिडिल पाथ निकाला. गॉड था, सीरियसली गॉड था. मतलब कोई बायस नहीं था, सीरियसली गॉड.
मतलब थीम एकदम अच्छे से एग्जीक्यूट किया है.
सीरियसली मतलब कोई कुछ बच नहीं था, कुछ भी बच नहीं था.
Awesome pack, hit the perfect points. Story was excellent. Little crudely done in places, but really good. Thumbs up. The execution excuse me? Amazing pack. The best part? Yeah. The best part of the story. Definitely the story is the perfect story. The best part was the red light. Red light one, the best part. You think something could have been improved upon? As I said, certain points were a little crudely dealt, as in insensitively about the suicide issues and stuff. Probably the professor and the system, they could have done it, a little better. Overall, it was an excellent pack. As a pack, it was, really good. Amazing pack, really amazing, that's all I have to say. You feel these issues are really relevant for
they are relevant. I suppose they are relevant because after being a year in IIT, I think they are relevant.
Okay.
And it's good that someone is present and rather very well.
You as an outsider, how do you feel about these issues that were portrayed?
Issues were portrayed very nicely, very humorously, lightly but still seriously.
Okay. But you really think that these issues are pertinent to IIT and as such?
Yes, it does. I mean, these are real life situations which actually happen.
Frogs.
Best pack
Best
ever.
path ever.
इससे अच्छा पैप नहीं बन सकता. या 80 की जरूरत नहीं है पैप. बहुत मस्त. God.
This path made me proud to be an IIT. Seriously. I'm a 50 right. I've seen 25 paths and this is the best.
बदला लेने का तरीका यही है. बदला लेने का तरीका यही है.
कुछ अच्छा लगा साहब पे?
वहाँ पे राइट में वो एक पेंटिंग अच्छा था और ब्रिलियंट पेंटिंग. बट बदला लेने का तरीका यही है. लो तो बदला ऐसे लग रहा है लो मत.
पैप गॉड था भैया, स्टैंडिंग उसको कभी कभार ही मिलता है पैप को. ये 5 साल का बेस्ट पैप. बस इतना ही
And Austin
Best
scored
part क्या लगा?
9-11
हाँ?
in one.
Best
Please
part.
clear your ear.
पूरा ही बेस्ट था यार
और कुछ इम्प्रूव कर सकते थे इस पे?
नो
Nothing. Perfection.
परफेक्ट
One thing sure to steal your hearts, it's what we call performing arts. 100,000 people see the fun unfold at OAD. Just to know who'll be the best, who'll win the path and beat the rest. 3 weeks of work, going for the single day. So let's hear 3 cheers then for Hostels 1, 4, 9, 11.